Hello everybody, this is The Reigns of Castamere. The original is from Game of Thrones soundtrack. I'm gonna sing a cappella. I hope you enjoy. And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low. Only a cat of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. In a coat of gold or a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours. And so he spoke, the Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one dare to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, with not a soul to hear. And so he spoke, the Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one dare to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall, and not a soul to